Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to create artist profile on your TikTok. I'll be using Chrome as my website, as my browser. So what you have to do is type spotify.com. Then this is what it will bring out for you. So I'll be signing up with either my phone number, my Google account, or my Facebook. Let me try with my Facebook. I want to sign up with my Facebook so that I'll have an active account. So tap use your Gmail. Okay. I'm using my Facebook. Let me try it with another Gmail. Let's see what will come up on it. It's another Facebook. Okay, let me try it with Gmail. Okay. Let's see date of birth. Okay. Then now, what's your gender? My gender is female. Now, okay. What is your name? My name is Susan Makandi Sapion. Okay. I would prefer not to receive marketing message. You choose any of them that you want. Share registration data. I'd like to share. So now we create accounts. So you can choose artists that you wish to have as your backup or follow up. Let me take two. I think that's okay. There are much artists here. You can select one of your choice. Okay, mine is done. So not now. So you can see now. Okay. So this is it on how to create an artist account. So you can see that my